These homes are absolutely unbelievable. I haven't seen anything like it in my life. Okay, I'm out here at a new build in North Las Vegas. It is convenient to everything. These homes are multi-gen homes, single story. You're not gonna believe what you're gonna see inside. Okay, they have just started building these homes and they haven't even opened yet. So you have a chance to get 67 of the most prime homes you've ever seen. Convenient to absolutely everything, right off the 215. Let's go ahead and see it. If we haven't met before, my name is Eric. I'm a realtor here in the Las Vegas area. What's so great about new homes, you don't have to worry about all this realtor lawsuit stuff. They pay my commission. You don't have to worry about any of that. Plus they have all these great incentives. We'll find out about all that stuff. Let's go ahead and get inside and talk about it. Okay, now look at this. We have the pavers for the driveway. This is wonderful. Look here, 3-car garages. Absolutely wonderful. You know what? Instead of the standard 7-foot garage doors, they have 8-foot garage doors. So if you have a big truck, this is one of the few builders where you're gonna be able to get your truck in there as long as it's less than 21 feet. You can fit her in here. This is one of the biggest garages you're gonna be able to find in a new build. So let's go ahead and get on in here. And they come standard with, look at this, video doorbells. This is a full smart home. Let's go all the way to the top. Standard 8-foot doors. Let's go ahead and get inside. Let's come on in. Okay, we are in. Oh my goodness, look at this. LVP luxury vinyl planking. Okay, look at here, we got our first little bedroom here. Nice size. Now, here's something you notice. Now, look at here at your baseboards. You see this? The baseboards are not standard. These are 5-inch baseboards. Upgraded carpets. Okay, so look at these. Like 3 closet doors here. Really wide closets. Now something needs to note, look at the size of the doors. These are 8-foot doors, so these are not standards. And if you've seen in the videos I've done up here before, they have done this. This is phase 3. They have upgraded the doors, so they are larger. And look, these are 9-foot ceilings. And look at the floors. These are LVP luxury vinyl planking. So this stuff you can have anywhere. It's more comfortable, lasts forever. And we're gonna save the best a little bit here. Come on. Access to those garages. Now they usually lock these out. Let's go ahead and take a look. Of course it's locked. We have a closet here. See how deep it goes. And got an electric panel there for your communications. Oh wow, look at that. This one actually has power. We've got, look at here, they've done some more upgrades, and I forgot to mention an upgrade over there. So in the last generation in phase 2, they had shelving here for the laundry room. They've actually upgraded these to, guess what? Full shelves. And they told me, let's see, soft close. Now they've gone from this being pre-plumbed and this being an option two standard sink with cabinets. And look at this. This is 2 1/4. This is standard. Upgrade for most builders, standard. Now I'm saving the best. You ready for it? Let's walk on in. This is the multi-gen suite. Let's take it all in. Fridge, your cabinets. Oh my goodness. Your own washroom. So whoever is using this has their own ability to wash, their own sink. And guess what one of the options is? They can lower this and it will put in a microwave. So you now have full cooking capabilities in here. So this is truly someplace they can keep apart. Got another little surprise in a second here. Let's go in. Got your linen closet. Of course, it wouldn't be multi-gen without the most important thing, their own living area. This is true multi-gen, not one of these separate living. Now this is what really sets it apart, which is really cool. You've got separate garage door. So the person who lives here can actually get to the garage, and also you have garage access for everyone else in the family, to the yard, to the backyard, to the front. So everyone has their own entrances to the garage and access to outside. That's what makes this spectacular. Nice open floor plans. Just look how beautiful these floor plans are. You've got everything you need here, including the wide open kitchens and everything. Look at the pantry. Absolutely gorgeous pantry, and look how large it is. It's everything you need. This is a true walk-in pantry. Now, what they've done since the last phase is they've increased the cabinets from 36 inches to 42 inches. So you really get up there and it really opens things up. They've also gone on the stoves from a 4-burner to a 5-burner, but this is what blows it away for all of the homes here. Look at this. See, got the oven here. Oh, oven. Microwave, and again 2 1/4 inches. Wow, look at this. Now they've done another upgrade that you're not going to see. Instead of that like little single shower where you're just in there and you're like, oh, look at this. This is standard. You see how large this shower is? Look at this, I have to step back. This is the standard shower now. And you still get your tub and everything. Double sinks here in the primary, and your very own water closet, as some people like to call it, washroom. And look at this walk-in closet. And oh, yep, there it is. curves around. Look at that size. Can you even beat anything like that? Okay, so we are out here and these are some spectacular new homes. And what's really nice about them is this is the opening weekend. And what's nice about that is, the homes here, the new homes are disappearing so fast. So let's just talk about what we got for financials and everything and incentives. So first of all, how much are the HOAs? HOAs are 110 months. That includes the master plan and the sub association. Now there are SIDs and LIDs. We've talked about these in videos in the past. Those are $120 per month right now. They're actually gone down. First two phases, the SIDs and LIDs were higher. What about the closing cost assistance? Well, that's $10,000. You can use that for whatever you want. You can use it to pay off your closing costs, use it to pay down your interest rates. So right now on these, they're not offering any kind of interest rate buy downs per se, like lower interest rate is market rate, but at the very least you can get that $10,000. You can use it towards whatever you want to. Now these are spec homes. They produce about 6 of them per month. If you were to come in here right now, the first move-ins are going to be about June or so. If you have a house to sell, that actually makes it really nice for if you have a house that's under contract. They will let you write a contract on these homes, but you need to have it under contract at least. You can't just go, oh, I'm gonna come out here and write a contract on a house here and then I'll put my house on the market later. But you do have some better options. At the very least, once you get your house under contract, you can go ahead and come out here. Now these are spec homes. They're not part of the Express series. Now they do allow a little bit of customizations. You can go down to the design center. If you get them early enough, if you sign a contract early enough, you should be able to do that and get a little bit of customizations. So they have 4 elevations, E, F, G, and H, with different color schemes and everything. So, you can come out here. I'll see if I can go to the office and we can kind of look at what they look like. Hopefully they have some splotches out. I mean, when I say this is brand new, all they got out here right now, that's why it's June, are these 2 houses that they built first. So we can kind of see what they're going to look like. So they got 2 modeled. And right now the one we're looking at is the 2754, which is the one with the next gen suite. If you saw that thing, it's definitely sweet. As far as the number they're building, it's 67 total. And if you didn't notice those lot sizes, those are huge. Now, that means you're going to be able to put a pool out there and enjoy those Vegas, let's call it North Las Vegas summers. Okay, I'm just wrapping up things right now. Always remember, you've been hearing all this crazy stuff about what's going on in the real estate market, and it is crazy. Having to sit there and worry about whether you got to pay the real estate agent or not. With a new home build, you never have to worry about that because the new home builder is going to pay the real estate agent's commission. Also remember, if you click down below, you got all the information for every home builder in the Las Vegas, North Las Vegas, and Henderson area. It's all down below. Go ahead and click there. Call, text, email. My information is down below in the pinned comment area. And again, my name is Eric, real estate agent here in the Las Vegas area. And I am here to help you guys out. And again, for my military brothers and sisters, you know what I'm going to say. Alpha Mike Foxtrot. Everybody else, we still love you. We're going to keep them lights on for you.